Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be cooking chicken biryani with basmati rice. Melt the butter and fry the onion. When it is fragrant, add the cardamom, cinnamon, and bay leaves. Stir, then add turmeric and cook for a further 5 minutes. Add the chicken, and the raisins. Pour in half the chicken stock. Followed by the curry powder. Add the rice and stir well, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Pour in the remaining chicken stock. Then close the lid. Cook for 15 minutes on low heat. Give it a stir before cooking for another 5 minutes. Add the sliced almonds and you are ready to serve. Delicious, served with a slice of lemon. Enjoy!